Hi everyone, I just got a UPS shipment and I already did a video today, but I wanted to share with you this, which was in my box. It's the Christmas Whimsy Card Kit. And if you're not familiar, Stampin' Up! Has some kits that are only online, so if you look through the catalog you won't see them. Well, they might sometimes show a little teaser of them, but you won't see the whole thing. And it's a line of kits, and these are different than Paper Pumpkin. Paper Pumpkin is a subscription, or it's a once-a-month thing, or you can buy 3 months, whatever, and you don't really know what you're gonna get. It's a kind of a fun box that comes to your door every week, every month. This one is different. This you can order and see what it is beforehand, and this is in the kits section of the online store. And they just added this one called Christmas Whimsy. The other ones are not Christmas. This is the first Christmas one. And they come in these little boxes, which are kind of cute all by themselves. So you can imagine using this box for something else. You can cover up the Stampin' Up! Label with a nice little, you can imagine putting a nice little, like a birthday card on top, or, decorating it however you want, and make a cute little tag with a ribbon. I don't know. So many options. And anyway, I wanted to show you this kit. It's the first of the Christmas series. So in these kits, these are kind of all-inclusive, self-contained kits. So some of them have stamps, and then in a block with ink, and even a stamping block, and some of them have pre-printed like labels that are already printed on them, so there's no stamping. So you can choose from stamping required or no stamping. The ones that have no stamping are a little less expensive. I think there was one that was $12, and this one is a little bit more because it comes with a stamp set and an ink spot. And the stamp set has, let's see, and you can see them online. I just wanted to show you in person so you kind of get an idea. It's a little better sometimes to see it in its pieces. So it's got some really nice sentiments for the outside and inside. So you can do season's greetings or merriest Christmas to you on the outside on some sort of form of a tag. And then on the inside you could put the wishing you peace, joy, and love, and now and throughout the coming year. And then there's some stars or some snowflakes. So that's this one. And then the spot color is Night of Navy, always a good one. I already like the envelopes that I'm seeing peeking through here. So they work very similar to a Paper Pumpkin in that you've got what you need in the little kit. It's got some little gold twine, some dimensionals. These are self-stick little stars and snowflakes, a nice little block, and then you also get some envelopes. Look at these, are pretty. They have gold foil on the edge, so that's a really nice envelope. And then you've got some printed card bases. I think there's 2 different ones. Yep, if I remember correctly, there were 2 different bases. And I think there were 4 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so the kit makes 8 cards. Alright, so those are the bases, and then you've got some gold foil tags, some more little gold accents, and some really cute little die cuts. This looks like glue dots. Okay, and then I'm sure there's an instruction sheet. Here we go. So here's the card. You've got some cute little elves kind of delivering a sled full of packages, and then you've got the tag, and then you're stamping on the tag. And then this one, you've got someone decorating a tree, a little elf, and there's season's greetings. So that's really cute, and here are the little die cuts. Always adorable. Now it looks like, let's see, you've got 200, yeah, so you've got enough for all 4. I thought maybe there'd be, sometimes they give you, yeah, they did. Sometimes they give you some extra tags in case you make a mistake. So you only need 4 of these, but you have 2 extra. I usually save them in a little box, and I don't see it right off the top of my head, but I save these and I use them on other cards because, I mean, every once in a while I make a mistake, but for the most part, I do a good job, and then I end up with all these. Here's one from a different kit. All these little extra tags that I can use on my other projects. So you've got that. Anyway, I just wanted to show it to you because it's not in the catalog, and it's a brand new item, and it's super fun. And you can order multiples, and this would be something fun you can get together with and make many Christmas cards. The instructions here I should show you. It tells you what pieces go with each card, and then, you know, the steps to take. And they always give a little ruler here because they kind of give you an idea of how much twine you need on each card, so you don't end up using it all on the first few and not have enough left over. So anyway, this is the Christmas Whimsy Card Kit, and it's super cute. And look for more new kits. Go take a look at the whole kit collection. There's a whole bunch of them, and I particularly like the one with the lighthouse. And they sell out. These are just kind of, once they come out with the kit, they fill up the warehouse and then they sell out, and then they're gone, and new kits come in and old kits go out, and you know, that kind of a thing. So this one is the Christmas one. I think that'll sell kind of fast, actually. I know the butterfly one sold really fast. We had one that was butterfly, and that one's gone. I might have one left if you were looking for one. But there you have it. Christmas Whimsy Kit from the Kits collection, online only. Thanks for watching. Bye.